They say the Himalayas don't call everyone, only those ready to listen. But when they do, the mountains whisper your name in ways you can't ignore. This isn't about conquering heights, it's about discovering the stillness that lives beyond fear. Join me as we trek to India's 5 most sacred and hidden peaks, places where faith, myth, and wilderness still walk hand in hand. Our first journey begins in Chopta, known as the mini Switzerland of India. At number 5 is Chandrashila Peak, where the world's highest Shiva temple, Tungnath, stands untouched by time. Legend says Lord Rama meditated here after defeating Ravana, seeking peace, not glory. The trek is short, barely a few kilometers, but every step feels like a hymn. As you climb from Chopta through oak and rhododendron forests, the air begins to shimmer with energy. And when you finally stand atop Chandrashila, with Nanda Devi, Trishul, and Kedarnath peaks glowing in gold, it feels less like a sunrise, and more like a revelation. Trek info: how to reach, drive from Rishikesh or Haridwar to Chopta, 8 hours. Starting point, Chopta Base Camp. Duration, 2 days, ideal for beginners. Stay, homestay and eco camps, 800 rupees to 1500 rupees. Budget, 3000 rupees to 5000 rupees. Tip: a 360-degree sunrise rotation shot, showing the full Himalayan arc as well as echo from Tungnath below. At number 4, the Kinnar Kailash, where legend meets endurance. Hidden deep in the Kinnaur Valley, this trek is one of the most sacred in India, a pilgrimage only the truly devoted attempt. The trail starts from Tangaling village, winding through apple orchards and pine forests before the terrain turns savage, steep tree slopes, thin air, and silence so deep it hums. Halfway up, the sacred rock pillar of Shiva reveals itself, rising like a flame carved by gods themselves. Locals believe this is where Lord Shiva meditated for years, his trident turning to stone. At 6000 meters, every step feels like a prayer offered to the sky. And when the first sunlight strikes that colossal rock, it glows like liquid fire. Trek info: how to reach, from Shimla to Rekongpeo, then Tangaling village. Duration, 4 to 5 days. Stay, homestay or camps, 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. Budget, 8000 rupees to 12000 rupees. At number 3, we journey east to Goichala Pass in Sikkim, the sacred gate to Mount Kanchenjunga, the mountain the Lepchas call their guardian spirit. The trek begins in Yugzam village, a quiet cradle of mist and monasteries. From there, the trail weaves through dense forests alive with prayer flags, crystal streams, and orchids that bloom like secrets. Days later, when you finally reach the viewpoint at 15,000 feet, Kanchenjunga doesn't just appear, she reveals herself. No one dares climb her summit, out of reverence. The mountain is considered a deity, and as the sun's first light strikes her snowy face, it feels like witnessing creation itself. In that silence, even your breath feels sacred. Trek info: how to reach, fly to Bagdogra, drive 6 hours to Yugzam. Duration, 8 to 10 days. Stay, tea houses and tent camps, 1200 rupees to 2000 rupees. Budget, 18,000 rupees to 25,000 rupees, permits and guide. A sunrise heartbeat edit, sinking light changes with a rising heartbeat sound, symbolizing Kanchenjunga's awakening. Number 2, Adi Kailash, the mirror twin of Mount Kailash in Tibet, a place where heaven seems to rest upon the earth. The trek begins from Dharchula, deep in Uttarakhand's Kumaon region. You pass through ancient villages like Gunji and Kuti, where the wind carries prayers older than history. Here, mountains speak in whispers, and silence has weight. At last, when you stand before Parvati Sarovar, the lake reflects the sacred peak so perfectly that legend says only those pure in heart can see the image clearly. Locals believe this is where Lord Shiva and Parvati reside in eternal meditation. Every gust of wind, every ripple in the lake feels alive, as if nature itself is conscious. Trek info: how to reach, Katgodam Dharchula, via Pithoragarh, permits from SDM office. Duration, 10 to 12 days. Stay, GMV and rest houses, tents or village homes, 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees. Budget, 25,000 rupees to 35,000 rupees. A mirror transition, reflection of the peak in water dissolves into the real mountain, symbolizing divine duality. And finally, at number 1, Nanda Devi, the goddess of bliss. Once, her sanctuary was forbidden, a realm so sacred that even explorers were turned away. The journey begins at Lata village, a quiet hamlet that guards the gateway to this divine mountain. As you trek through alpine meadows and ancient juniper forests, you feel her presence, unseen, yet undeniable. Locals believe Nanda Devi watches over the Garhwal Himalayas like a mother, fierce yet compassionate. When the clouds lift and her face appears, it's not just beauty, it's revelation. Here, you don't conquer the mountain, you surrender to her grace. And in that surrender, you find a peace you didn't know you were searching for. Trek info: how to reach Rishikesh to Joshimath to Lata village. Duration: 6 to 7 days. Stay: homestay in Lata or base camps, 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees. Budget: 12,000 rupees to 18,000 rupees with permit. A slow drone pullback where your silhouette stands before Nanda Devi, fading into a glowing frame of the goddess peak. These 5 peaks aren't just treks, they're teachers. They strip away the noise and show you what truly matters. Up here, strength fades, but spirit endures. And somewhere between the trail and the temple, you realize the summit was never the goal. It was always the awakening. If this journey moved you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Visionary Vibes, where every journey goes beyond the destination.